Hi everyone, I am Ankesh. Welcome to my channel. So now when we have set up Jenkins for a Maven job, we are going to create the actual job. So I'm going to create new job. The name will be my first. And then we have to select a Maven project here because we are creating a Maven job. Okay. So to get Jenkins to build a Maven job is just to get that Maven job location, that is our Maven repository. So for that, I am going to use our Bitbucket repository source, and I am going to copy this repository and pasting it here in the repository URL. Which will clone the repository from the remote location. We are not providing any credentials because the repository is a public repository. Now coming down, so you will get an option name, build, and how you want Maven to build it. So Maven projects will generally work with pom.xml, and the goals and option will be like Maven build or clean build, clean package, something like that. So I am going to give clean package, which will create the package and clean it the next time it creates another one. And I'm going to save it. Now we have already set up our first Maven job, and we will build it now to test whether Maven job is running successfully or not. So I clicked on build now. And you can see the console output from here. So it's already started building. So we will wait for it to get finished. Yeah, so you can see the job has finished successfully. It has already built it successfully. And now we are sure that we have set up Maven correctly. So thank you for watching the video. Hit like if you really like the video, comment down below if you have any queries, and subscribe to my channel. And in the next video, we are going to set up the Artifactory job, and we are going to integrate the Artifactory server to our Jenkins server. Thank you.